Well, not as soggy out there as it was earlier this morning when we had this rain shield pass right over the viewing area. And you can see how steady a lot of that rainfall was. But we put this into motion. It looks like most of that has now left to the north and east, and many of us are catching at least a slight dry break. There's still some light drizzle falling, even in areas not showing any rainfall over top of them right now. But you look back into the eastern panhandle, there is a little bit of shower activity moving into Winchester as well there. And yes, there is still some rain showers and even a few storms developing down to the south and west. You can see again all that steady rainfall off to our north at the current moment. But yeah, look down toward Roanoke. There is that batch of showers and maybe even a few embedded thunderstorms that is pushing up toward the four-state region. So we are not done with the rainfall by any means, but we're catching a bit of that dry break at the current moment. And rainfall totals are already pretty decent for just a half a day so far. We've reached a half an inch in Chambersburg, Hagerstown, and Germantown. Thurmont's already up over 0.8 of an inch of precipitation, and we have some lower amounts scattered about through the viewing area as well. And it is likely we do pick up an additional half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of precip before all is said and done later on tomorrow morning. So like I mentioned, the storms are developing off to our south. We're not really going to be seeing any sort of severe weather today, but thunder is certainly possible as a few storms could drift far enough north this afternoon. The chance for rain continues through the overnight, and yes, as this storm lingers nearby, we'll see a brief chance for some wet snowfall tomorrow morning before finally this storm system exits to the east. And when we start out spring, it's on Saturday. That's the first day of the new season, and it looks like we're gonna have some beautiful conditions for the first few days of spring. Plenty of sunshine and some warming conditions behind this system. But check it out here again as far as the Storm Prediction Center outlook is concerned. That marginal risk, that's a 1 out of 5 on the severe scale. It slides right through northern Virginia, but that would be about it. The worst of the severe weather is staying to our south here, so we could see a couple of gusty thunderstorms the rest of this afternoon. That's what Future Tracker is certainly going to show us here as we head into the evening. Yeah, there's those thunderstorms that could pop up here and there, but all in all, again, we avoid the worst of the severe weather. The rain continues overnight, and again, that chance for snow is very brief and it's going to be very isolated, but the chance is there before we clear things out completely. Look at how nice those skies are going to be by the end of the day tomorrow. We're looking at plenty of sunshine on the back half of this system going into your Friday nights and into Saturday morning. So really tomorrow, outside of the morning hours, it's going to be turning pretty beautiful. So we're going to start out the weekend on a very nice note. It will be blustery though to get those skies cleared out tomorrow, so be prepared for those higher wind speeds. Plenty of sunshine through the weekend, and look at those temperatures going to be recovering into the 60s by next Monday and Tuesday.